Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, we're here. Sorry, guys. I had to switch over to a wired mouse. My other one's acting wild, so I'm gonna put it away for a little bit. I don't know what's going on with it. Just replaced the battery in it too, like a week ago, and I don't know. I did accidentally leave it on. I don't know if that's kind of part of the problem. Could be. Who knows? What up, Miss K? Get my headset on. Let's get the headphones on. Why don't we? Got those on charge too. Got those on charge too, but that's all right. All right. Get used to having a wire attached to the mouse. At least I know it will work, huh? At least I know it will work. What up, son of Wall Street? Did the camera go off again? What the hell happened here? The camera blinked off again? I mean, come on. Okay, well, somehow it changed. It's back. Okay. All right, got it fixed. Dun, 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 dun. What up, Jim? Yo, Jim, Huge Johnson. Huge Johnson. You know what that means? Him got a tiny pecker. Oh, goodness. You got, hey, you guys. All right. I'm going to take a look at the chart in a minute. Right now, I'm interested in getting my other charts pulled up just in case we get a trade opportunity. And trade opportunity. And we'll go over what we're looking for. What's wrong, Maxie? What's wrong? I just got back home. I don't even know if he's been taken out. I assume my mom did. Is this discovering Clee Torres's real meaning? Whoever that is. Oh man, guys, I tell you what. I mean, you know, the feeling of feeling like you missed out. I don't know, man. What do you think, guys? What do you think? The feeling of missing out. Not the fear because you took the trade for 5 points, but man, what a run up after I closed my chart. What a run up. Francis, you think Apex is desperate? Why is that? Because they're having a sale? I mean, that sale, let's be honest, it's, what are you getting, 10 bucks off extra? It's not that big a deal, but I am going to buy some more. I am going to buy some more. Only got one funded Apex account right now. I'm thinking I'm probably going to reload to 20. We'll see. We shall see. All right, let's kind of look at the hourly here. Start with the 4 hour. Nice push back up into the end of the day. We still got 10 or 12 minutes here to kind of take a look at this. What about this gap here? Yeah, that gap was already, so interesting enough, this gap was not filled during regular trading hours, right? Neither was the new week opening gap. It was filled overnight. Was it filled? Maybe it was. I don't know. Yeah, I do actually think that one was, now that I'm looking at it. But yeah, just based on the 4 hour here, I mean, there's the balance of the 4 hour there. What up, Sinister? Yeah, we're early today. We're home, bro. We're home. 49 all in. Yeah, it's a pretty decent deal. You can't find any of us little guys in your feed. It's all TBM. Uh-oh. I saw TBMs trying to go to that 23 hour a day. Like, I don't understand. Like, listen, I get it, but like, why are we trying to be on all day every day? Like, why are we trying to have somebody streaming all day every day? I don't know. A little weird if you ask me, but all right, so we've actually dug quite deep into this hourly gap already, right? 4 hours up here, pretty small gap, 125 points. The hourly's a bigger, about the same size probably. Yeah, a little smaller. But we've already dug quite a ways into that hourly. So that kind of leads me to believe the lean to be bullish still, right? Now, that being said, I kind of get the feeling that we could kind of sweep this level here and then push up, close above, and then maybe go fill that in since it hasn't been done. Actually, it has been filled, but not during regular trading hours. Of course, it's not regular trading hours now either. Or you could look for something like this. You could kind of push up, balance the 4 hour, and then maybe we take out that kind of obvious wick there on the hourly. I mean, if we measure this pushback up here, it is 50-60% of the entire move, right? So this move down hit OTE, and then if we just measure from here to here, we've hit 50% already. So I guess we'll see kind of what happens at open. I think if we get above like 800 and start pushing, building structure above there, then you can just consider it bullish and maybe look for longs. But ideally, we'd like to kind of see a pullback. What up, Jack? Jack deleted his message. Let me see what it message said. Let me look. What did that message say, Jack? 15-minute here, kind of just grindy, right? Tapped into this small gap here, rebalance that. Gotta sneeze, hold on. All right, let's get on the 2-minute. I don't know. So kind of my early lean, right? Early lean here as we balance the 4-hour at open. And so maybe thinking maybe we open up, somewhere up here. And then we'll see how price reacts. Do we get above the 800s? Start building structure. If we do that, I think we just continue higher. Conversely, we open up here. We dip immediately, right? And then you can kind of look for it to kind of come back down to here. We'll just see what price wants to do at open. And we'll react to it. We'll just react to it. And we may take a couple 10-point scalps. Not with 5 micros. We'll start with 1. You're hesitating on taking your first Lucid Flex payout, thinking should take out max. Dude, Jim, take the money. Simple as that. Take the money. Take the money, bro. Do not mess around. Take the money. Because at the end of the day, you can work that drawdown back up, right? Switch over to a micro. Trade a micro, 2 micros, whatever it is. So just size down. Even if you got $500 left in drawdown, let's just going to say. That's still, with a micro, very, very manageable amount, right? Very manageable amount with a micro. Because the idea is you're like, oh, I got to get, let's say you're trading a 25K account. You're like, oh, I need $100 a day. Well, does every day have to be $100 trading day? Nope. You could take $50, $80, $70, whatever it is, build that buffer back up to 1,000. So the apex discount just means the markets are about to go crazy. I don't know about that, sir. But yeah, pay yourself. Pay yourself. Jim, I wasn't talking about what you play with in the bedroom. I'm talking about contracts, okay? Just because you play with a micro in the bedroom doesn't mean it's not the same as playing with a micro on the charts. Yeah, let's go. See, I can't say that to everybody. I can say that to Jim, though, because, Jim's tough. He can take it. All right, so we've got 5 minutes left until open here. So yeah, me personally, I'll be waiting for the sweep of the low, the daily low down here. If we can get that on the ES, that will be my ES entry. Every time prop runs special discounts, the market goes crazy. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe they run them because they go crazy. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm here for it, though. We're here for it. That's all I know. We're here for it. We're going to make some decisions. Some might be bad, but that's what we'll do. Boom, 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 boom. Looking to request my daily payout from Take Profit Trader. We'll get about 250 bucks. I think we'll get about $200 after the profit split. Can't complain. I think that's my third or fourth daily payout in a row. Not 100% sure, but I think it's something like that. I don't know what this was here at 4:12 in the afternoon. We got a nice 57 point, just death candle down. So I'm kind of looking, you know, to target that at some point here potentially. Are lucid and planned payments fast? Yes. You will be paid in seconds. Your payment will be in your bank account immediately. If you so desire. I'm actually looking here on the 5-minute chart, guys. It's looking like triple equal highs here if we get an opportunity here. 720, 720.50, and 720.50, relatively almost equal highs. So like you see all these highs up here, like all these highs. Why is this struggling so bad? They're not equal, but on the 5-minute, we do got some equal ones. We'll see. Trump was making comments. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, they should be super fast, Jim, within minutes. So we'll have to see what happens here at open. I mean, I kind of feel like we gap up at open. Maxie, where's Max at? Max. Where he is? Oh, there he is. All right. All right, we got 5 seconds. All right, here we go. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to look for this and see. No real gap to speak of. Open up right where we closed. I wanted to take a long to the 20 here, but it should run through there. God dang it. I wanted to take a long to the 20, not long at the 20. Eh. I got to flatten that, guys. That was badly managed. I should have jumped in on my instincts there. I didn't. Yeah, see, Jim, that's how fast Lucid is. That's how fast they are. Oh, well, that's all right. Could still go up. We'll see. What did we lose there? Mark that down as stupid trade. $83, and there it goes, but it's okay. Let's hit that like button, guys, if we can. It's free. It to be free. You need a boner for the race? Let's go. One could be yours for the low, low price of free. About to tap into that 4 hour here, guys. Where's the 4 hour? The bottom of it's up there, 746. Yes, at 76.20. See if we get a little pullback here. Pulling back. See if we can balance that 2 minute down there or not. Are we going to balance that 4 hour there at 746? It's kind of the question. See if it gets into that 4 hour and see kind of what happens at that level. Come on, tap the 4 hour. Get up there. I want to see what happens after it taps the 4 hour. I think it will. All right, there's the 4 hour. Consider a short if we get kind of a see if we can get a pullback. Have a data candle down there. We are in a 5-minute bearish gap here as well. Get a pullback here. I'll be looking for the short. Yes, it's 76.20 here. Still just a pushing. Not a whole lot of momentum here. 76.20 is last week's price. Right there at it. Got to delete some voicemails. I have 100 voicemails. None of them from people I know. Man, it takes that long to delete 100 messages. There we go. All right, tapping into the 4 hour, tapping into the 5 minute. Do we take a long here, or short here, I mean? An aggressive short. Tapping into a bullish 5 minute gap now too. I'll be patient. Gonna be patient. Not quite up there as high as we wanted it to be, but oh goodness. What's that business lens? Kelly Ann says my funded futures is a scam. Why is that? When did you say that? What makes it a scam? Slow moving, slow moving. Oh, she had it put in the scam list. I don't have no idea. No idea. Why the streamers try so hard against my funded futures? Primo, it's because they mostly, as far as I know, it's because of the elimination of a lot of the affiliates, right? If you're not an affiliate with them, that's probably has something to do with it, but most of them, not saying that's her case. But that's why they eliminated probably 80% of the affiliate people that are affiliates. Of course, Take Profit Trader, Apex, I mean, everybody did that. You know, Tradeify, they all did it. Same thing. Eliminated a lot of them. Trying to increase slippage. I mean, how can, or who did that? Alexi, who tried to increase slippage? Am I missing something? I must be missing something. I don't know who did that. Dun, 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 dun. So where is this message at, or where's this information from? Because like, I mean, I don't know. I haven't seen it, so I'll certainly ask. Is that something that's recent? Kellyanne has it everywhere. I don't know if I follow her. Let me see. Let me look. Uh, I mean, you certainly can't increase slippage on Trade of 8, Ninja, or Quantower. Why is that none of that coming across my stuff? I don't see it. Yeah, it's crazy because I don't normally get on there. I don't get on X all that much. Dun, 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 dun. I guess let me just search her name. Yeah, it says I'm following her, so I don't know why that stuff's not coming across my feed. New video. Mm. Oh, Yeah, I mean that if you're talking about that from like back in the day, yeah, I mean we all are aware of that, right? We are all aware of that. But why would you wait until now to do that? Because there was no problem with that, you know. There was no problem in regards to that when you're a partner, right? I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't see it. Yeah, well, I think we've all seen the old messages, the old stuff concerning the FX side or whatever. I've seen it from back in the day. But yeah, I don't know. I have no idea. You know, like I tell everybody, I mean, you form your own decision about prop firms and stuff like that. If you don't like a prop firm, the cool thing is there's many options. You know, if you're worried about one, there's many options. You don't have to don't put all your eggs in one basket. You never should. Trade multiple. Profit Poltz and Profit Poltz God's Grace. Who has the older account? Let's see. September 19th, 2025 for Profit Poltz. Oh, wait. Is it the same person? March 7th, 2026. There you go. Max is over there whining, guys. He may need to go outside. I don't know if he's at the door or if he's at the kitchen door. He might be at the kitchen door. All right, if we get a close below here, I'm going to take this short. The 5 minutes not closing. That's kind of the problem here. Getting married to a prop's worse than getting married to a cousin. Well, it depends. First cousin, second cousin, third cousin. You know, by the time you get to the third cousin, are you really related? You know, at least that's what Tom tells me, right? He said third cousin, you're no longer related. What do you guys think? That's what Tom tells me. Especially, you know, if it's like if your parents had like 10 or 12 kids. Kids with cousins have genetic defects. I mean, one could say that all kids nowadays have defects. I don't know. You could say that. What up, Tony Lanes? I'm not advocating for it. I'm just saying. All right, well, the 2 minute no close below there. Let's see if it can close below at the same time as the 5 minute. Or, you know, if we can get both to close below, that'd be nice. I don't know. Alexia, I've got one right now. I haven't picked up any yet. I want to reload up to 20, so I was thinking about buying 19 of them and just trading them normal, no full port or anything like that. Just trading them normal. What up, Lena Stafford? How many do you have, Alexi? How many do you got? If you don't got 20, you know. Let me see if the 1 minute closed below yet. Nope. Or wait, did it? No, not yet. Oh, you didn't trust on business lens? Yeah, I mean, like I said, everybody has their own opinion, and I've never had a problem with them. See, I mean, like, that's the thing. Like, my experience has been good, but doesn't mean the same for everybody, right? Um, so the 1 and 2 closed here, so I'm going to jump in. This is kind of what we're looking at. All right. But yeah, I mean, the thing is, like I said, I mean, with any prop firm, doesn't matter who it is. If you have a, kind of an icky feeling with them or whatever, dude, just trust it and go with someone else. No big deal. 700 is actually, oh, holy shit, guys. Why am I in 10? What am I doing? I'm not supposed to be in 10. I wanted to be in 2. Oh, oops. So I'm going to go break even at 700, and that's going to be my first take profit. Man, I didn't notice that. So I'm going to go break even at 700, and that's going to be my first TP. Reason is NQ. We have, I think, is it equal lows at 700? Indeed. So based off the 5 minute and the NQ, 700 is the level where we move our stop. Five minute just closed below as well. So all time frames have closed below. The only thing missing here is kind of a lack of momentum, right? Lack of momentum. Delivery from the 4 hour, delivery from the 5 minute, 2 minute inverse down. Lack of momentum is the only thing. Data wick below 66325. So yeah, that's why we're taking the trade. You traded with Next Gen. My account was blown because there was a 20-second delay in execution. Their support says you need to have paid subscription of TradingView. Yeah, I do think. I mean, I don't know. I pay for the TradingView subscription every month. I think it's like $8. I don't even remember. 30 bucks. I can't remember what it is, but I do pay for that. I'm short, Lena. That sucks though. Tough to trade on a delay. I do know a lot of places allow you to connect Trade Event connections to TradingView. Tim, I just got back on. I stream Asia often. OPEX. I haven't done it the last couple of weeks because obviously vacation. But that's why we're here. We're here to cook. We're here to cook, Tim. We're here to slap ass and take names or whatever the saying is. Yes, I was on vacation. You can swing trade on delay. I'll hold it till tomorrow. It'll be fine. So, oh, is this thing going to go down, Tim? What do you think? 24-hour stream tomorrow? Get it. I will tell you, Tim, if you do that, have some people come on because kind of break up the monotony of sitting there by yourself. Oh, 4 23 hour. Yeah, yeah. Inside buy over here on the 5 minute chart. Oh, do I take this inside bar? Am I trading ICT? I mean, sort of. A variation, I would say. I'm short off an inversion here. So, sure. All right, Tim. Let me finish reading that message. Explain why I trade Asia rather than I do trade New York future site trading. I'm live every day during New York. So, I prefer New York. But money can be made in both sessions. All right. Yeah, it can be lost. Yeah, for sure. For sure. It can go either way. Either way there. That's true. Very, very true. ES or Nasdaq's approaching the 21 EMA on the 5. Also previous day close right here, 708. Open right there as well. So got to get through that. 50 EMA on the 2-minute. Might prove to be difficult to get through there, but we'll see. There's the bounce. Again, I'm going to go break even and scale out at 700 there. So that's the idea. So from a technical standpoint, I should have already went to break even. But because we're in Asia, Globex, I'm okay with losing the trade. You got to trust the trade at this time of the night. You got to trust it. You got to trust it. Yeah, just 2 micros. Very small position. All right, there's the 21 EMA touch on the 5. Technically, you could say that's the gap fill also, although there wasn't really a gap. Let's hit that like button as you come in, guys. Let's also subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to join the giveaway, !MM. We're going to be giving away a My Funded Futures 50K Rapid account. Can it hit the take profit? I probably should leave it at 698. Let's do that. I'm going to watch the NQ over here. And, you know. Going to watch NQ here. Because if NQ runs the 700 before MNQ runs 98, then I'll just take it off. It needs to get filled here. So we'll just do it like this. I got it picked up. There we go. Now stop to break even. We're going to target the data low from 412. Little data low down there from a Trump speaking earlier today. Obviously got to get through the 690s here. You need a candle close below 690. I talk about this all the time. The 90 level's key, right? Get a nice full candle closure below there. You should see some acceleration at that point. Till we kind of close below the 90, it might give us some issues. Your target is around 620. Let's go, Alexi. I actually like that target, but got another wick right there, 646, and another one down here, 620 area, 610 area. So it's kind of splitting the two. I think that this is a very safe target. Again, I want to see a candle closure below 90. Nice and heavy. And then that next candle should give us some acceleration. So just kind of mark out the 90 here. Man, I should have left the 10 micros on, huh? And again, this is another scenario where ES or the Nasdaq's, the NQ is at 664. This one's 66325, a little lower. So if NQ takes it and MEQ doesn't, I'll close the position. ATR very low here, 9 points. Close below 682 warrants a run below 664. Would make sense. Was that about 50% of the wick here or something? Maybe. I mean, it's holding at the 90 here. The 90 is like super strong. If we can just push through there, get a nice candle close below it, I think we see some acceleration. You know, acceleration in terms of what time of the night it is. A 10-point candle, that's acceleration. Man, still just cannot close below 690 here. %, yeah, it makes sense. Well, it'd be nice to see a little acceleration here. ES kind of in no man's land here. Nothing holding us up. 76.15 got clear air down to 76.11 on the ES. Clear ground below. Maybe we shouldn't call it air. Maybe we should call it ground. I don't know. It's clear ground below. If it wants it. Ugh. What, Maxie? You gotta go pee pee? Do you need to go pee pee? Talking to my dog. All right, 48 seconds left on this candle. Let's see what we get. I could really probably move my stop down to like 710, but what's the point? Oh, I think he does have to go out, guys. He walked over there when I said that. So let me take him out right quick. You guys watch this trade. I'll keep these headphones on so I can hear if something happens. Let me make sure these, the orders are OCO, so it should be fine. I'll be right back. That dog went out and did not even pee, guys. He did not even pee. Kills me. Goes out and just sits there. Stares at me. I'm like, what? You want me to pee? No, I'm not peeing. No candle closed below 90, huh? Would not even go pee. Rude. Let's see if I can request my Take Profit Trader daily payout yet. Can we request yet? Nope. Did I give him a squeeze? I did. I got down there. I was like, give me those boys. Give me those boys. Still didn't work. Didn't work. Come on, give it to me, guys. Let's get down there, guys. Hey, you guys. Let's get down there. Oh. That's a good candle. Little milking action. Yeah, good. Looky outs below. Ponzi in the house. There's our close, guys. Acceleration, please. Thank you. Maybe. I got to leave it on there for some resistance. You know, support turns into resistance. Oh, don't be rude. Don't be rude. Donkey candle, that's right. Indoor pee mat for dogs. Yeah. Those are cool. That's cool stuff. I just always have taken them out. Used to live in a house with a fenced in backyard and you just open the door and let them go, but now we have to use leash. You're going to go busking, raise a little quiche, a little quiche, a little quiche. All right, let's go. Get it down there. I mean, I'm not asking for much here. Just 20 more points. Nothing crazy. Just 20 more points-ish. 664 incoming. We'll see. The only dog I ever had that was my own You opened the door, he ran out and never came back. That's not funny, but it is. Cabbage Patch Poke, Salad Annie. It's not funny, but it is funny, right? It's not funny at the time, but maybe now you can have a humor about it, right? A little humor. I'm mad at you, Max. You made me take you out and you didn't even pee. You just stood there and stared at me like, what? What are we doing out here? What are we doing out here, Dad? We're just chilling? We do have the top of the hour in 6 minutes, 7 minutes. If that means anything, I don't know. How I locked in 2 daily payouts. Let's watch this.
Yo, so I just logged in two accounts. Really have to skill and get out on those accounts. You can see right here. Yeah, now on my dashboard, $330 max loss on one trade, and most of my trades were around $200. So looking for about 10 points. One mini, that's pretty much what I was doing. You saw a few trades that I took on my honey futures, but scalping those 2-minute Harami candles, and then also scalping down to that PPI.
Pine Tree over here talking about how he got his 2 daily payouts.
On the futures TV, so just scalping and
getting one mini, more like 10. We all know it. Whoa, what was that? What in the heck was that? What was that, people? I don't know what that was, but yeah, it's yeah. We might look to take a that's kind of a wild candle there. The problem is we're probably man, that is pretty bearish. Just tapped into that BPR there. Oh man, I'm so tempted. Like it tapped into a BPR here, right? It could go down and take the data wick now. So I'm tempted to you know what? I'm gonna take the short. I think it still goes down. Guess those orders were not OCO'd. I'm going to go for like the data here, but I'm also going to scale out some because I am in 5. Scale out some of these like here, and then take that one off. Oops. Scale out some as we go here. Left in 2, I think. I forgot to take this off. Nobody believes. Yeah, that's okay. I still think we come out. I mean, like this did leave a data wick, right? But it's tapped into a BPR. It might have left equal. Is that triple equal highs on the 1? Let me see. So I may have to get out if that's the case. It's not. It's not on NQ. I don't know. Should I hold this shit or not? All right, let's add into this here. I'm in 6 now, so it's kind of let's take some of those off. So NQ ran this wick, by the way. NQ ran it. What are we in? Oh, wait, I put one too many out there. Did I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we're in 6. Mm-hmm. I actually got back to green there on that push down too, but it's all right. Feel like it's going to make one more run up here. I'd like it to test the 690 before it does, but it may not. $7.10. Stop the hour in 10 seconds. Yeah, it just kind of gave me the 7.10s. Might have should have just taken it there, but I'm gonna give it a little bit. Let it kind of sweep this one time, and then we'll consider taking it off. Just look for a better spot. Here's the sweep. I want to see bearish. So see if we get just a sweep lower here. One more sweep down. Mm-hmm. See how this candle closes. I'm in a position. I'm short. Short from 716. Not looking good right now. But really not down too many points, to be honest. I mean, we're down 10 points right now. Just in a little bit big size. If we're in proper size, it wouldn't be sweating it very much here, but giving the ES a little bit of room, seeing what happens when the ES runs the high. If we get a nice sweep back down or not. Just kind of looking to get out break even if we can. Little Zay, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Little Zay. I want to see it start pushing down now, if it's going to. Let's see. You can do it, MNQ. You can do it. You can do it. Should we go bullish? Maybe. Probably not. But maybe. You could. All right, down to 6 here. I'm not going to be greedy here. I'm just going to take it off if it hits my entry again. Plain old Jane told a story about a man. I mean, this thing can get through 705s here. It should be able to go, but... All right, I got stopped out. That's okay. I'm not mad at it. You now have 2 data lows down here, though. It's probably going to go to 716. You're targeting 654. Nice. We got out of that one with a little bit of skin on our back. Just a little bit. We averaged in too heavy too fast. But, you know, my thought process there was like, we kind of had a big rejection off that BPR, so I thought that we were going to continue lower to that lower data wick down there at 663. And the market decided, no, we ain't doing that. So, not very good, not very good management. But sometimes you're going to have that. And there is actually There's kind of a short setup on the 1 minute potentially that could look at taking. I might do that. Let's see, 16-point stop. You got that 655. Oh, we already, yeah. I don't know. If we get some momentum here, I'll look at it. But so far, no real momentum there. Back down. Yeah, it could go down. I mean, you could also kind of consider, I mean, this is not perfect, right? It's really kind of a steep trend line there. You could consider, I mean, if we break this BPR here, this thing could really take off. Kind of use this gap as your bias, right? Because above this gap, we got a little bit low resistance to the left here. We are overall probably bullish, and we do have data lows below. So theoretically, you'd think this would hold. 12-point stop if you just sold it here. I think I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it with a single micro. It's like a 15-point stop, $35. And I can target all the way down here. So a really good R trade here. If it doesn't hold, we know that we're just going to go higher. If it doesn't hold, we're going back. We're going to go back to this 749s. So yeah, we'll see. No real stop to break even here. I guess 677. You could go stop to break even if you wanted to. But you keep it tight on this trade, really tight. And you can even move your stop down. Like if you look at the 1 minute here, so a little bit, like if we can close below 693 on the 1 minute, so, yeah, somewhere in there, then you could potentially move your stop down at that point. But we'll see. If we get stopped out, it's no big deal. So this is a cheap trade to me. Cheap trade. Mm-hmm. You're down 877 on the day. That sucks. One minute's trying to kind of close above. 2 minutes. Got another minute on the candle. No close on the 1 minute there. Lack of momentum here. Anybody know what that was? Did Trump tweet something? We were so patient on our short, too. Rude. Rude. Stopped out there. Should go now. I mean, if it wrecked that BPR, it should just go. $7.49 up there. Come on, man. Good old Trump. Down $9.90 after that. Really? Is that right? So ES did not sweep the 1 minute wick down here that NQ did. What are we doing here? A lot of interest lower, but this thing just, I don't know, it's not making a decision. It's not doing it. I mean, I guess we could wait for this on the 1 minute. About 15 points. I still feel like we got a lot of interest lower. That's what I feel like. Oh. ES left the data wick down there. NQ did not, but I don't think it's unreasonable to think that we go back down there and take it, sweep it again. I just tried the short, though, just got stopped out, so. So we'll try it again if we get a momentum candle close below here. You're short, Lena? I like it. I like the shorts. I'm just like not sure where to put my stop. It's kind of the problem. You see, I got stopped out on that one. I thought the stop was in a reasonable spot. I'm going to stab along here on a funded account, just a really cheap trade. I'm risking 4 points. Looking for a 10-point bounce. Nah. All right, stop me out. Just thought I'd give it a shot there. Cheap trade, so. Very cheap. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Well, we'll see how the 1 minute closes here. We got another. Just thinking about a little backdoor trade here, but don't know. Ba-da-ba-boom. Trying to be patient here. It's not moving. Nice rip back up right there. I think it should run the 719 area. Maybe. How's it going, Miss Bell? want to see it run up into the 720 here. Let's see. It'll clear out that 720 area. Then I would be okay with looking for a short potentially, but can it do it? I wanted to go take out the 720 first before it pushes lower, but what you want it to do and what it's going to do probably not always the same thing, right? Push back up, take the 720. I said, nope, we don't care what you want us to do. All right, I'm going to go ahead and jump in short here. Give it a shot, I guess. I think. We're going to go 2 mics. I mean, this is really just 10 points. I don't even... I guess, I mean, really, 695 probably should be the break even, right? It's in the window making business, yeah. I mean, you'd like to see some acceleration below this. So, like, theoretically, below this, I should go break even there. I'm going to wait and see how this candle closes. If it can close below the gap, right, that's going to be ideal. So, close down here. Let's close heavy. Nasdaq said, joke's on you, bro. Like, what is that? Now you're going to go back and take out the 720 like I wanted you to do a minute ago? I mean, like, what are we doing? Very manipulative tonight, guys. Very manipulative. Like I said, I probably should have went break even there. It's 10 points. It makes sense. It's the end of the little trend line run. Yeah, I'm going to buy them, Ethan. I'm going to load up to 20 on that. It's terrible, guys. This is just terrible. I mean, I don't know. At the end of the day, I can only blame myself for this trade because I know that I should go break even there, and I didn't. Right? We're in a favorable sizing here, though, so it's not fine. It's not a big deal. Any written rules? No, not really. No hidden rules. There, it tells you everything you can and can't do right there. It's like, why is it being so manipulative here? Obviously, the safe play is to wait for it to close below the 1 minute, but like, man. Why, NQ? Why? Yeah, I want to get 20 Apex. I've got one right now. I typically, I've had 20 plenty of times. I just haven't had them in a while. I'd say probably February, March. I think I lost them then and decided not to re-up. Wanted to work on my trading first. For sure, Alexi. What up, Aramek? Man, it's insane. We just keep getting these manipulation candles. They're not huge, like 30, 40 points, but how long you get to hold Bulenox funded account without activation? Not really a time frame there, Lena. I think about 5 days the invoice will disappear, but I've held them for 30, 40 days. And then just requested a new invoice. And they just sent me a new invoice and I activated it. You passed 200K accounts. Oof. I don't recommend anything over the 50K account, Lena. And the only reason is the activation fee. It's a scaling activation fee. So, for example, that 100K account's probably going to cost you like $200 to activate or something, maybe $250. I don't even know exactly. So I don't recommend anything over the 50K. Let's see exactly what it's going to cost you. It's just a little more expensive than I would like for it to be, right? Funded account. $248 to activate it. So a little bit on the expensive side. A little bit on the expensive side there. That's the only reason why. I think you can find a little better value. Now, you know, it is cheap up front, right? And so if that's the thing you're going for, no big deal, right? You want to be able to get the account without spending the most money. Nothing wrong with that. There are other accounts out there that make more sense. You know what I mean? But in terms of like, if you're just trying to get it cheap up front, Nothing wrong with that. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, they are kind of expensive, Papa Tony, but you know, like I tell everybody, at least you know you're getting a funded account, right? So that's kind of a thing too, but she's a looking bully, guys. She's a looking bully. Not much to do here. We're in the short, but I ain't loving it. I ain't loving it. We could get stopped. We could have to take the loss on this trade. We'll see. It's not the end of the world if we do, right? But still. ES is already above the highs, by the way. ES is above the highs, looking like it wants to go to that 76.40. Potentially. See if we can take advantage of a little micro dip here. And potentially just get out of this. See if the ES can give us a little micro dip below 21. Can we get a dip? ES very strong here. Very strong on the ES. A swing candle. Swing. All right. When I add, if we get this, I'm going to be a little more careful with my ads. I'll add pretty heavy if we get a death candle through this. Just trying to get out. Ugh. And again, we could just take the loss here and be down $100 on the day, right? Could take it right now. Could. It's not the end of the world. Let's go, death candle. Give us that red rocket. We need the red rocket. What up? We Bicknell? We Bicknell. Is that Wayne? I think that must be Wayne. Wayne Bicknell. Not much. Just in a drawdown trade like always. I thought that was Wayne. All right, don't be invalid here. Give me a chance to add. $10 left on this candle. All right, we're in 6. There we go. Stop to break even. Actually, break even's up here. That's my average. This is a protected low, but we're on the 1 minute, so it probably doesn't mean much. And trades by now. Pine! Pine! Pine doesn't live here. All right, we need a candle close below this. I mean, come on. Get it going already. Now's got it right. Come on, get down there. Stop playing around. ATR is absolutely putrid at 7 points. Terrible. Now, I expect if we sweep that 95 this time, man, we should get a big candle. This thing should accelerate through that low now. There's no real reason it shouldn't. A lot of interest below. Coming into the macro in 8 minutes. I mean, if this thing can get below 95, we should see some acceleration now. Give me a red donkey candle. Like, I'm tired of seeing these boner candles when I'm short. Like, I like the boner candles when I'm long, but not when I'm short, you know? Acceleration. Coming. What up, Tony? Come on. I feel like we've been trying to get the shorts all night. Look, I knew it. I knew it, guys. I knew another freaking boner candle was going to come. I freaking knew it. Oh, maybe the shorts are just cooked, guys. Maybe they're cooked. What if I trades? I mean, we're just in an idiot box here, really. A large one, but an idiot box nonetheless. We are currently down $28. Yeah, Lena, I did too. I mean, technically, this is a protected low, right? Technically. So technically, we need to sweep the high of the leg that, well, actually, I don't know. Is it though? I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. Maybe the market just doesn't give a shit. Maybe it just wants to go up. Do I just press the buy button? I think so. I'm going to do it, guys. I'm just going to press the buy button. Turn your head if you don't want to see this. Am I just going to press the buy button? Maybe. Chilling till 8 is probably a good idea. There's no shorts until we take out the dildo candle. Maybe. What dildo candle, though, are you talking about? This one's up here at 749. You used to call your girlfriend an idiot box, but then she pointed out that would make me the idiot. Yeah. It could be. Could be a thing. Looks like a bear flag. UPC code. Yeah. Closing time. Man, I don't know. I don't know what to do here. I don't know what to do here. Oh. Maybe we just wait for it to close below the 1 minute. Yeah, I see that candle there. I trades. got to get, oh, that's the thing is I'm targeting the data below there, right? 677, 646. Like I keep thinking that's where we're going. I know this is the only thing holding us up, but I like the higher entries that I'm getting off of it, and they're paying to the break even point, but beyond that, they're not. So I don't know. Maybe we do need to wait till 8 o'clock. Either that or I size up a little bit. Look at that 1 minute. We get the red candle when I'm not in it. That's okay. I'm about to get in it. Closes below, I'm going to get in it. Full port 1 micro. I'm about to go 10 or 15. I'm thinking 15. So we're going to go like that. There. All right, market. Now you cooperate and get your ace down there. Shocker, right? That's when you switch to gold. Oh, come on. Oh. I want to be someone. All right, guys, this is my break even now. Got to follow the rules on this trade because I'm in heavy. I mean, we're in the macro now, so if it's going to run these lows, it should run it now. I might, let's say I may take 5 off at 86 there. Kind of play it like this. If it pushes through there, what up, TNQ? You have some trust issues today? Yeah, me too. Oh, she's just giving me, you know, all kind of heartburns and I mean, what do you do? What do you do? New 5-minute candle coming up in 15 seconds. PK in the house. All right, new 5-minute candle here. Oh, God, guys. I mean, like, is there anything else that we just expect? You know? It's like, what is it doing? Like, what are we doing? Is somebody talking? Like, I just don't understand. Like, why is it having such a hard time to go lower here? Trump was talking? Okay, well, that might make sense then. I'm trying to follow the rules on this trade and, like, just, you know, obviously I've broken the rules by being sized so heavy, but still. Plunge protection team hard at work. They are. They're protecting the toilets. Oh. Man, now the break even really is here, but like I know I'm going to be stopped out break even if I go break even there. Do I just take 5 points? I feel like maybe I should. I'm going to take the majority of the position off at 5 points. And we'll just go break even there. Well, it's, yeah, basically 5 points. 693 settlement. You gotta be kidding me, guys. Can't even get 5 points here. I'm dropping the break even. I'm just getting out. You can just go without me. can just go without me at this point. I'm not familiar with that language. Oh, take the 5. Lena hit the 5, but it's unfortunate because I'm quite certain at 8 o'clock that we're going to run right down into the 664. I mean, I'm quite certain that's where we're going. Like at 8 o'clock, I always like to look to see where liquidity rests. And it's down here. It's going there. It just did what it wanted to do there. It shook me out. And now it's going to go without me. And I just have to be okay with that now. I'm putting money on it. 8 o'clock, we clear out the 677 and the 663. It just shook me out. I'm in too big of a size there, which is fine. I mean, I entered the trade knowing that. You know, close above. I'm risking about $600 there on that. But man, such an annoyance. Hold your hand, Jim. I don't know what I can do. I can't even hold my own hand here. So manipulative. "10 seconds until something happens." All right, there we go. I might re-enter, guys. I'll look for 5 points. We'll see if we can get it. Might be a bad boy here. Don't tell anybody that I'm in this heavy. $600 will be my stop out by the. Oh shit, we're there at it already. All right, only there for a second. Come on, rip it down. Ah, dang it. I was about to close it again. Hit the 50 on the. Hit the 50 on the 5 there. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, that was dumb. The definition of stupid trading. The definition of stupid trading. Oh, man. And ES is just about to take off to the moon here. This thing is just ripping. Nasdaq breaking that level there. See if it pushes up to 749. You get a good close here, it probably does. Yeah, I think it's going to rip to 749 now. Looks that way. $600. Can it push through 749? You guys think 760? What do you think? Can it get 760? All right, Lena, appreciate you. Down to all-time low. Gonna go get some meatloaf. Man, meatloaf sounds amazing. I would love some meatloaf. I want to see some acceleration through 50 here. I mean, through that 49 level, you should just kind of rip, right? Potentially. All right, if this hits, we're back to green. If this hits, we're green. Oh, come on. Don't be rude. No, can't do it. Come on, hold it. Rip that thing up there. You want that 749. You want the 749. And do I give it more room? I don't want to because I'll have to re-enter. Come on, get it. Get through 749. Squeeze it to 60. Bit of a revenge trade here. Not going to lie. Go, 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 go. I'm going to trail super tight here above 49. I want it to run fast above 49. Come on. New 5-minute candle here. Just go. Get up there. Smack it, rip it, rub it, do something. Uh-oh, troops. It might not. Come on, get up there, you asshole. Go! Oh, come on. How can this thing not continue up? All right. Looks like we're going to be stopped, potentially. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 here. Add 2 for the bounce. Come on, bounce it up there. Get me out. I got to put these into profit quickly here because we don't want to risk that. Uh, 25. We actually only need like 53 to be break even on the day. Come on, give it to me. We're only looking for 53. That's it. Rude. Okay. Go! This 5-minute chart is laggy. Yeah, you can, troops. Oh, man. Pop it. There we go. Squeeze that thing. Turn that 5-minute candle green. Let's go. Man, why does it do that? Squeeze up there. I've been short all night. You've been ripping my face off with the shorts. And now you don't want to be friendly on the long. Where's that Hulk Smash Boner candle when you need it? Where is the Hulk Smash Boner candle when you need it? All right, is it coming? Getting twitchy here. Getting twitchy. Uh-oh. Man, this thing's... I need it to happen on this candle because a new 5-minute candle probably stops me out. Come on, go. Get through there. Pop that thing. Come on. I can't let a new 5-minute candle open. I'm locking in the 10, guys. I'm locking in the 10. I can't let the new 5-minute candle open there. So down 372. Just can't do it. Oh, well, we did the best we could. 10 points, 20 points, you're happy? Yeah. I know, Troops, you jinxed me. Rude. Look at that. You jinxed me. Where's the high of that? 744. Oh, it won't let me. I'm watching it here. I might take one more stab at it, potentially. All right. Oh, it's not. It's 44. I'm watching that 44 here. Inside bar on the 5. Oh, come on. Chicken head, she won't. What the hell? All right, can it rip it up here? If it gets above 44, I might take it. We'll just take it to 49. Why not? For 5 points. Gets above 44, we'll take it. All right, let's do the giveaway, guys. How many people we got in the giveaway? What would that be? 270. Almost be back to green. Shit. Tagged in. Hit the 49. Can it go? Stopped out. Down 110 now. I think I'm going to stop there, guys. I'm going to accept that 110. What up, Miss K? How many likes we got? 73 likes. Jim's here. Plus 442 troops. Let's go. I was down $1,300. Now I'm down $100. Do we, yeah. I'm not. I'm going to take the $100 loss. I'm going to take the $100 loss and just call it a night. It could be so much worse. Just, I don't know. I call it stupid trading for sure. Anyways, we got 90. Well, let me refresh. So there's 90 people in there. Just need 5 points on a mini. How hard could it be? How hard could it be? Do we do a shotgun? I don't know. Fall dried out in the leaves, Spanish rice. I'm going to have y'all's favorite. I'm going to have some hot dogs when I get off the stream here. Some ballpark hot dogs. All right, guys. 1 minute. Yeah, I see that, Ethan, after I'm out. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Exclamation point MM in the chat. And go. Mm-hmm. Bam! All right, we're green. I just hit a quick short. We are green. Now it's going to run without me. Watch. You got 25 seconds. It's going to go without me down to where I wanted it to go. Now that I'm all out and, you know, I've degened myself out of the game. It's going to go down now and run all this bullshit. That's crazy. Yep. It's exactly what it's going to do, guys. Perfect example of being right, but also being wrong at the same time. All right, let's start drawing the names for the giveaway here. Draw the names for the race. Entry number 1, Kosh I4D. You are entry number 1. Lucky number 1. Mech Todd K. Entry number 2. Primo Trades. Entry number 3. Zupku 144. Entry number 4. Simple Trader. Entry number 5. If you guys are new here, we are doing a dildo race. Balahi. Entry number 6. Bet you never seen a streamer do those before. Mido. Entry number 7. Imagine if you're new here and you see our race. Our entry number 8. Anna, entry number 9. You're like, what is this? What's going on here? Cross 8787. Entry number 10. Let's rock it for 1 minute. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Go. Zupku Got a nice start. Anna, not to be outdone. You have to watch a movie before the race to finish first. All right, Anna, or let's see. Anna took the lead there. Mido's trying to not to be outdone. This is a close one, guys. Mido taking the lead. I think Mido might have it here. I don't know if anybody's going to be able to shrink their balls and get in front of him or not. Look at this stumpage, guys. This is so annoying. Holy cap. So annoying. I'm tempted to short. Oh, sorry, guys. Oh, Mido's just ripping. He's just ripping it off. I thought Anna had a shot, but no. Mido. There we go, Mido. Congratulations. Mido, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Right there. Are you here, first of all? Man, the 5 minutes about to inverse here, guys. Ah, man, I am so tempted to try it again. I just got back to green. All right, let's try it again, guys. Not with 5. Turn this off. Let's try it again here. I'm going to go 3 micros. 1 will be there. 1 will be here. 1 here. Stop to break even once we hit the first target here. Yeah, Mido, shoot me over that email. I'll show you what you need in it in a minute. I'm sorry I saw this trade, so. Oh, you got to be kidding me, man. Right back at the 90 again. I guess I didn't learn my lesson. Come on, hit it. Hit that shit. Oh, the 90 is so strong, guys. Oh, my God. Oh. I mean, come on. Come on. What are we doing? What are we doing here? Oh my goodness, guys. This is so crazy. I'm taking 1 off. Break even. Reduce size. And I'm going to take another off. I'm done with this. I'll leave 1 on here if it wants to go. If it doesn't want to go, then oh well, but. And I'm going to go break even back below this wick here, actually. Oh, This thing is just, I don't know, man. It's so illogical. It's just funny, guys. It's just funny. It's doing me dirty. I don't know why I re-engaged with it, but I did. Hey, maybe it'll get there this time. Hey, finally, we get a death candle. All right. Is it going to finish the job, though? Is it going to finish the job? Holy cow, guys. Holy freaking cow. That was just insanity right there, man. Insanity. It does have a lot more room down. You're not wrong, Simple Trader. It does. I mean, you got to think. Look at the ES. Look how far the ES is away from the data. I mean, ES is nowhere near it. That first level, the first kind of candle there, 676.13. And then that second one is all the way down at 76.09. So ES is still 10 points away from it. It could run much lower. But I'm going to be happy with the tiny profits. I mean, look at the fees, guys. That shows you how much degen we did tonight. $303 in profit for only 92. We paid $200 in fees. So, quite hefty is what it is. Anyways, the winner, Mido, screenshot your YouTube top right hand corner showing me that you're logged in. Include your My Funded Futures email. Shoot that over to me, and I'll get that account over to you. That's going to do it for me tonight, guys. I'll be back tomorrow morning, 9:15-ish. Do appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Use code MYTH on Apex. Use code MM on every other prop firm. I do appreciate you guys watching. I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty gal, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.